Let's follow them. There's more. Let's see where they lead.
Oh.
I think the Easter Bunny left them.
I think so.
You think so? Are there any more? They're downstairs. All right. You gotta follow them. This way, Ellie. This way.
This way.
Follow them this way. Keep following.
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep following them.
Are you recording it?
No,
on
I'm
recording.
taking pictures.
Oh.
Here, follow them. They come here this way. Follow them this way, around here. Uh-oh, they loop around. Where do they go? You better keep following them. They go down the hallway. You stand.
Look at those things.
Look at those things. Ellie, look at them. They go down there. What's down there?
I see on the whole wide world. Mama.
You see them all down the hallway. What do you think we do now?
Wait, open that thing.
You have to open the door. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Do you need some help?
Yeah.
What is it, Eliana? What is it? What did the Easter Bunny leave you?
Drinks.
Drinks.
Wait, open that.
Let's get our whole basket.
Yeah.
Come here, bring the whole basket. Yes.